How to fix yellow spots and dog urine odors on grass. Doggy spots on the lawn are not attractive and can become smelly. There must be some happy medium where we can have our beautiful patch-free lawns and they can attend to business. The solution is repair and control. You can have the 9th whole green grass that you desire and prevent damage from occurring in the future. Things you'll need: lime, shovel, topsoil, sand, grass seed, grass sod, leash, compost, brewer's yeast. Water the areas the dog uses most frequently. The water will dilute the urea, which contains high levels of nitrogen. Grass needs nitrogen, but the urine also contains salts that burn the grass. Excess nitrogen can cause high, overly green areas that don't match the rest of the lawn. Sprinkle lime on the saturated areas. This will balance the pH in the soil, which has become acidic due to the dog's urine. Lime sweetens soil, it brings it back to a basic level that most plants thrive in. The amount of lime will depend upon the area being treated. Follow the directions on the bag. Use a shovel and remove the dead sod. Wait until after a dormant period into early spring, to be sure the sod won't recover, since most of the time it will. Cut out the sod and remove 2 inches of soil. Top the area with 2 inches of topsoil. Spread grass seed over the area, and dust with sand, to keep the seed from blowing away. Water every other day for 2 weeks. Remove the sod and resod. This is a fast solution to grass that doesn't recover. Cut out the sod, lay topsoil, then patch with the same type of grass. Keep the sod moist for 2 weeks, or until it roots. Prevent the sod loss and holes by taking your dog for a walk at least 3 times a day. This will keep the animal from using the same spots in your lawn. The odor will dissipate over time, if you can keep the animal from using the area. Set up a potty spot in the back of the yard, on a thick bed of compost which has high levels of beneficial bacteria to fight the smell. Encourage your pet to drink more water. This will dilute the urine naturally. You can also ask your vet about adding of brewer's yeast to its diet. Brewer's yeast will help lower the acidity of the urine. A teaspoon a day is enough to change the pH.